Lakonda Kulleppa completed his mechanical engineering in 2016 and has 2.2 years of experience in the non-IT field. He joined STAD Solution to make a career in software testing and successfully got placed at Taze Minds Software Private Limited. Let's hear from him.
Hello all, my name is Lakonda Kulleppa. I'm basically from Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. I had completed my BTech in 2016 under mechanical stream, and I have 2 years of experience in non-IT field as a mechanical engineer. After that, I wanted to switch into IT career. So one of my friends suggested me about STAD Solution. So I joined STAD Solution for software testing course. During my training, I learned a lot in a manual testing as well as basics of automation. In manual, I learned about how to prepare BRD, FRD, test scenarios, test cases, bug report, test plan, etc. After the training, I got placed into Taze Minds Software Private Limited as a fresher. A special thanks to Richa ma'am and Kashyapi ma'am and Mehul sir. Yes, I can strongly recommend STAD Solution who wants to switch their career into IT field, especially in a software testing.